Hey, what's up, Nurture Pros? Hope you're having a great day today. Just wanted to hop in here and I can show you how to make fields required on any of your forms or surveys. So here we're trying to update the event date question to make it mandatory or required. So what we're going to want to do is come into our, we're going to go to our forms. So here we have the pricing brochure opt-in form for weddings and events. This is the new form that we have set up. And so what we're going to want to do, do you have a specific date in mind? And then enter your preferred date. And so we're going to want to make this field required. So it looks like since we have this field hidden to use the conditional logic to show it or hide it, in order to make it mandatory, we're going to actually just have to not make it hidden and make it required. And so if we do that, I can just update the conditional logic so that it makes more sense. So if they click no or other, it will hide this field now. So let's see if I can do that. Okay, so it looks like it did work that way. So basically what I've done is just gone and set up conditional logic. You can set it up so that please enter your preferred date is required. So instead of hiding it, how I had it hidden at first before, I've just set it up differently so that now that it's set up with conditional logic, you can do that in the top left corner with the little connection button icon, and then you want to go to show hide fields. I set up these two. They're pretty easy to set up. It's just if they select this question, do you have a date in mind for your special event or wedding? If it's equal to no, or if it's equal to other, then I want to show the tell us about your general timeline. And then the other one is for the preferred date. I want to hide it. If they select no or other, then I'm going to hide the preferred date. So if I save those, then we can see if we go to, I'll save the form. So now I'm able to make that required, and if it's required, I can't make it hidden. So then we can just go test it and go to preview. So I have test chain dough. What type of event are you hosting? You can say wedding, rehearse there. Say wedding reception, 75 to 100 guests. Do you have a date in mind? So if they say yes, that'll stay there. If they say no, it'll change to tell us about your general timeline. And then they'll be able to enter in their information like that and then submit it. Or if they want to enter their preferred date, they can enter their preferred date and then select which date they want and submit it. Goes to the thank you page, and then we can come back here and just refresh the page for our contact. I'm just in the contact's full profile setting or profile. You have the contact view, the conversation view, which is just kind of like a pared down view of what you get in the full contact view, and you have all your conversations. And then if you click the either the contact icon, or you can just click either this icon right here for open contact in new tab. And that will open up the full contact profile view, where then you can see all of your answers to the opt-in form. Said yes, now the preferred date is required. They can leave any other information. Since that one's hidden, it doesn't get filled out. That's a great way to set up conditional logic. It's a little bit trickier than just having a straight form, but it makes it nice so that you can make the form look shorter and less intimidating from the get-go to make opt-in hires as high as possible and the friction as least as you can. So yeah, this is what we have set up. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.